In the vast online world of clickbait and inflated claims, finding genuine affiliate marketers who actually make money can be a daunting task. I've been in your shoes. I started my affiliate marketing journey back in 2018, and it was a roller coaster ride. That's why in today's video, my goal is to walk you through every aspect of this business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap on how to get started with affiliate marketing and start earning some serious cash online. So relax and let's dive into this amazing world of affiliate marketing together. No fluff, no hype. Just practical guidance and real insights to help you succeed. Whether you're a new buy or have some experience, this video will provide you with valuable information and actionable tips. So get ready to rock the affiliate marketing game with confidence and clarity. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. It requires effort and dedication. But armed with the right knowledge and mindset, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business that brings in passive income and gives you the freedom to live life on your terms. So let's get started on this exciting journey and unlock the potential of affiliate marketing. Mindset. The first step to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is all about having the right mindset. It's what separates those who try affiliate marketing but give up from those like me who stick with it and make a ton of money. I know it might be hard to accept, but the truth is, some people watching this right now might be a bit lazy. Hey, no judgment. I used to be that way too, always procrastinating, looking for shortcuts, and doing busy work instead of the stuff that actually mattered. But then I hit a wall, and I realized I needed to change my approach in how I viewed business. Once I made that shift in mindset, everything turned around, and the money started rolling in. So if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to shake off that lazy mindset and get serious about putting in the effort. Trust me, it's worth it in the end. How to choose a niche. All right, now it's time to get into the practical stuff. Choosing a niche. A niche is just a specific area or market you want to focus on in your business. We've got options like health and fitness, finance, love and relationships, and more. But here's the thing. Many new affiliates make a crucial mistake at this stage. They pick a niche based solely on their passions and interests. Don't get me wrong, passion is essential, but not all niches are created equal. Some are more profitable and scalable than others. Let me share my experience with this. When I started with affiliate marketing, I was all about spirituality. I created Instagram pages, shared manifestation and law of attraction tips, and promoted spiritual products from ClickBank. It was exciting, and I gained a good following. But there was a problem. The products I was selling were low-ticket items, meaning I had to sell tons of them to make significant money. It wasn't sustainable in the long run, and I realized profit margins weren't high enough. As much as I loved the niche, it just didn't have enough demand for the products I was promoting. So it's crucial to find a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also has good profit potential and demand. This way, you can build a sustainable and successful affiliate marketing business. How to find high-quality products. All right, so now that you've got your market or niche in mind, it's time to find some cool products to promote. Let's do a bit of market research and find out what's hot and selling like crazy in your chosen niche. Remember, you're the middle person here, so we just want to connect the dots with what's already in demand. Before we dive into my favorite marketplaces, let me break it down for you. There are two main types of products you can promote online, and the choice you make will determine your moolah. First up, we've got physical products. These can work in most niches. Let's say you're into the fitness world. You could promote stuff like water bottles, protein shakes, and workout band. These products can bring in some decent cash. But here's the catch. They usually have a smaller profit margin. As an affiliate, you won't get a massive cut due to the costs involved. Things like manufacturing, shipping, storage, and handling refunds. But hey, don't get me wrong. Physical products can still be profitable, and I know some buddies who are killing it with them. How to create a distribution channel. All right, now that you've got your niche and products ready, it's time to set up your distribution channel. The place where the magic happens and you start driving traffic to those sweet affiliate links, making those sales roll in. Don't worry if you're not a coding wizard. Creating your own affiliate marketing website is easier than you might think. There are awesome platforms out there for beginners, like Hostinger, which I personally love. They offer a free domain name, unlimited bandwidth, and 200 GB storage, so you can dive in without spending a dime. Once your website is up and running, it's time to let the world know about it. There are some killer methods to promote your site effectively. First up, we've got search engine optimization. SEO. It's all about optimizing your website so that it shows up higher in search engine results. This means more people finding your site when they search for stuff related to your niche. Next, let's talk social media marketing. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Encourage your followers to spread the word too. The more, the merrier. And don't forget about email marketing. It's a powerful way to connect with your audience and promote your affiliate links. Build an email list of folks interested in your niche and send them regular updates, new content, and those sweet affiliate offers. Bonus tip: Hostinger's got this awesome A website builder that's perfect for beginners. Just click on Try a Website Builder, answer a few questions about your niche and goals, and bam, it'll create a website for you. You can customize it to your liking and get things rolling without any web design know-how. So if you're just starting out and want to dip your toes into affiliate marketing, give the AI Website Builder a go. It's a fantastic way to get started without the tech headaches. Time to crush it with affiliate marketing. You've got this. All right, so in this part, they're going to ask you about your site and blog. Just put your brand name at the top, like your full name or something related to your niche. For example, I'm going to go with fitness and dieting. Choose blog as the website type, and then give a short description of your business. The cool part is that AAU works its magic and creates a website that suits your business perfectly. I wrote a brief blurb for my keto blog, all about helping people live a healthier lifestyle. Click on Create a Website, and bam! In just seconds, you've got a totally free AI-generated blog on Hostinger. It looks super professional, all about the keto diet. But the best part is, you can customize it however you want. Change the headlines, the brand name, pictures, text. It's all up to you using Hostinger's website builder. Once you're done, voila, your very own online asset that can make you money around the clock. Now, let's not waste time. After setting up the website, it's time to create some kick-ass content and market those affiliate products. Remember, content is the king of affiliate marketing. You want to provide value to your audience with blog posts, product reviews, and how-to guides, all on your website. The cool thing nowadays is the AI tools, like ChatGPT, that do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. No more racking your brain to create content. You can use article rewriting tools to make it unique and original. Say you want to compare 2 email platforms for your site. Just ask ChatGPT and you'll have the results in no time. Upload it, add some affiliate links, and boom, you've got content that can rank on Google and bring in organic traffic for some sweet affiliate earnings. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the power of social media. YouTube and TikTok are absolute beasts for driving traffic and sales. Building a following on these platforms alongside your website will give you a big advantage and help you make serious bank with affiliate marketing. And hey, if you're not into showing your face online, no worries. You can still promote like a boss without being front and center. So that's the recipe for affiliate marketing success. Be patient, track your progress, and keep optimizing your strategy based on what works. It might take some time to see results, but all it takes is that one breakthrough moment, and you could be raking in the cash. So go ahead, give it a shot, and remember, the hustle is real, but the rewards are worth it. Good luck, my fellow affiliate marketer. So that is the secret sauce to ace affiliate marketing and make those big bucks. If you follow my step-by-step approach, you'll be well on your way to raking in 6 figures with your very own affiliate marketing gig. I won't lie, it might get a little tricky in the beginning, but hang in there and it'll all start making sense. Patience is key here, folks. Keep an eye on your progress and tweak your strategy based on what's working. Yeah, you might not see instant results, but remember what I said about mindset. It's all about staying positive and determined. You're the boss of your own destiny in this business. Put in the effort and it'll pay off. Remember that one killer article or viral YouTube TikTok video can be a game changer, making you thousands in affiliate marketing. If you had a good time watching this video, do me a solid and smash that like button. And hey, drop any questions you've got about affiliate marketing in the comments below. I'm here to help you out. I've got more cool stuff for you to watch. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and catch you in the next video.